Welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today I'm going to do a little griddling underneath my new cover. We found something different. It's called sausage bacon. So we're going to get these on the grill. We're going to do up some potatoes with my spicy salt, pepper, garlic, aka world famous SPG, and some eggs. So let's get going. All right, to keep you all awake, we're going to do this video in fast motion. We got our sausage bacon on here. Next, we're throwing on some russet potatoes. Now, russet potatoes take a little bit longer. You see there, I put a little spicy SPG on there. But what it's saying is russet potatoes take a little bit longer. You know, those golden Yukons, those things cook up real nice, real quick. But I find that the russets take a little longer. So I get those on right away while I'm getting the sausage bacon flipped and turned and cooked. And then we're going to let this sit for a little bit. And then I'm going to put my dome over the potatoes, and I squirted some water underneath there to steam them a little bit. These sausage bacons are becoming done. I'm going to pull those off as they get done. Check my potatoes, keep the lid on them. But like I said, I like to spray some water in under the dome to help steam them, to help get them cooked. Otherwise it takes a little bit longer. Russets just take long anyway. So anyway, once I get these all off, I'm going to move the potatoes over into that sausage bacon grease. There's not a whole lot there, but you know, enough for the potatoes. Again, put the lid on or the dome on, squirt some water into there, let them steam, let them cook. Keep moving them around. You obviously don't want to burn them, but you want to get them nice golden brown. And while those are finishing up, put a little more water in there. I'm going to start doing my eggs. Got my side for my eggs all prepared. We're just doing some scrambled eggs. And these cook. I turned the burners off on that side because the griddle is nice and hot still from the potatoes. And you know, hey, they're just eggs. You mix them up, do a little chopping. You want to break them up. You don't want to overcook them. So you just want to keep moving them around. Doing breakfast on the Blackstone is one of the favorite things we love to do. We usually do it on a Sunday. Sometimes we'll do it on a Saturday, but mostly on Sundays. When those eggs get just about done, just move them over to the side. Let them finish cooking while your potatoes finish up. These potatoes are looking really good. I'm going to cover them one more time. Add a little bit more water underneath that. In this fast motion, it's hard to see me add the water, but anyway, while we're waiting, scrape off some of the food off the griddle. So when everything comes off, it's a lot quicker to clean up. Always clean it up as soon as you're done when the griddle's still hot. Eggs are done. The potatoes, I know they're getting really close. Scrape off that eggs, the little bits of egg that's still on there. Get some oil on there. That'll help with the cleaning as well. Now, check out my potatoes. I'm going to try one. All right, these are done. I'm going to get these off, get them in the bowl. Perfect fried potatoes to make our perfect Sunday brunch breakfast. Okay, I'm just going to scrape off all the food bits, get this griddle cleaned, and go enjoy our breakfast. There you go, Sunday brunch. Got some fried potatoes, some sausage bacon. We haven't had that before, and some scrambled eggs. So easy to do. Every Sunday, I'm gonna go get this plated up. We got cinnamon rolls in the oven. I told my wife I could do it at the Pit Boss, but she already had them in the oven. So I'm gonna go plate this up. We'll show a picture. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next video.